Ms. Renaura, the president of the association. Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. On behalf of the Judiciary of Kenya, I warmly welcome all our distinguished delegates to Nairobi. I join Justice Renaura to thank Your Excellency for honoring our invitation to join us this morning despite your very busy schedule as the head of state. In fact, last night I watched the news and saw you in Marsabit, and I was holding my heart with my hands, wondering how you will travel over 700 kilometers to be here this morning. You must be a miracle worker, and for this, we are absolutely grateful. Let me also say the Judiciary of Kenya is honored to co-host this distinguished gathering of judges, jurists from across the globe. We in Kenya are proud to be a member of this vital international community, and we are delighted to provide a platform for the critical discussions that will unfold over the coming days. I hope and invite our distinguished delegates to take this opportunity to extend your stay and sample what our Kenyan hospitality beholds. Beyond this conference, we invite you to visit our tantalizing tourist sites. This 14th World Conference reaffirms our shared determination to confront one of the most urgent humanitarian and legal challenges of our time. With over 120 million people displaced and migration systems worldwide under strain, the role of the judiciaries in upholding fairness, legality, and human rights has never been more critical. But more critical also is the realization that none of us is safe. We are all likely to be these numbers, 120 million people. The theme of this 14th IARMJ World Conference, protecting the integrity of the refugee and migration systems, underscores a central truth: the safety and dignity of millions who rely on refugee and migration systems, and hope that they will be fair, credible, transparent, and humane. And that is why we are convening here in Nairobi to revisit those challenges that are faced by people seeking refugee protection. The integrity of the refugee and migration systems is also the bedrock upon which the safety, dignity, and rights of millions of people depend. It is about ensuring that our laws and policies are fair, just, and applied consistently. It is also about creating pathways for safe and regular migration while combating the scourges of trafficking and smuggling in persons. It is about upholding the fundamental principle of non-refoulement and ensuring every individual has access to a fair and efficient asylum procedure. Your Excellency, dear colleagues, the theme speaks to